Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 7th standard. Today I will discuss about industries. Our world is endowed with variety of natural resources, that is forest, agricultural products and minerals are the important resources. So we need these resources to fulfill our day-to-day life's needs. But all the resources cannot be used to fulfill our day-to-day life needs. So the resources and also the resources cannot be used also in the raw form. So we need to process them and to make it valuable, So this act of processing the raw material into processed goods is the secondary activities. Secondary activities, so what we can see that what is secondary activities? Secondary activities are those activities that convert the primary products into more useful and valuable products. Now let's see, all the secondary activities are related to the manufacturing industries. Now you have to know that what is industry. The term industry is used to describe the activities that concentrate with the processing, fabricating and manufacturing of primary products. Means that whatever the raw material, when these raw materials we are taking and processed in somewhere or in a plant, then that is called, that places is called industry. Most of the industrial activities are termed as the secondary activities. Why? Because we are getting the raw materials from somewhere, such as the minerals and the agricultural, or from the agricultural fields. Then only we are starting to do the processing. So these are the industries. The industrial products are maximum are that secondary products, and those which one we are taking as a raw material, that is the primary products. Most of the industries need that the value of the raw material. For example, we can say that the value of cotton textile, cotton increases when it is processed into industries. Otherwise, simply raw cotton, there is no use. Whenever we are using that in a industry and we are getting cotton in the cotton textile industry, then that is the most valuable. Now next come that the industrial development. Industrial development of a country is perfect indicator of its overall growth. The industrial revolution initially took place first in Great Britain in that 18th century. Then it is gradually spreads towards Western Europe, and slowly whole world was positively affected by these industrial activities or industrial revolution. But this industrial revolution did not spread evenly distributed everywhere, because it was due to the fact that the industries were unevenly distributed. Why? Because some places are overcrowded, some places are sparsely populated. Which place is overcrowded, then we have seen that the industries, because so many labor we can get from there, and also some other factors are also there, and then that sparsely populated area, industries are not developed. Now we will discuss about the factors affecting the industry. But before starting that, I want to say you that what are the major industries. Major industries of the world are iron and steel industry, cotton textile industry, information technology industry, sugar industry, shipbuilding industry, fishing industry and automobile industry. Other than this also so many industries are there, but about this industry some major factors are, major industries are this one. And now let's see what are the some facts and distribution of this industry. Such as iron and steel industry is the backbone of other industries. It is the mineral based industries and it is known as the basic industry. It is mainly distributed in the North America, Europe and Asia. After that, cotton textile industry, it is agro-based industry, it is a labor-intensive industry. India, China, USA, Pakistan, Egypt, etc. Are the countries famous for the cotton textile. Then information technology, it is the fastest growing sector of the world. North America, Europe, Japan, China, etc. are the leading countries of this IT industry. Then sugar industry, sugar is used for every part of the world, you know. So sugar industry is the famous for the universal demand. Cuba, Brazil, India, Indonesia, then USA, China, these countries are known as the sugar bowl, sugar industry. Cuba is the known as the sugar bowl of the world. And then shipbuilding industry, it is an old industry. Japan, UK, USA, Germany, Sweden, Netherlands, Russia are famous for the shipbuilding industry. Fishing industry, it deals with all the activities concerned with selling of fish and fish products such as China, Peru, Japan, USA, Russia, India, Norway are the main countries for known as the fishing industry. Next you come automobile industry. This industry was initially started in Western Europe, after that USA, Western Germany, then UK, France, Japan, Italy, Russia are the important automobile centers of the world. So we have seen these are the major industrial industries and some facts and distributions also we have described in these industries. Next, this is a little long chapter, so I have divided this chapter into two parts. So here I have described only what is industry and major industry and some facts of and distribution. Next part I will discuss that what are the factors of this industry. So I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.